Good morning, everyone. My name is Anthony Odessa, and I'm from San Diego, California. I'm a first year in Columbia College studying computer science and economics, and I'll be taking over the Columbia Instagram page today. Hope you enjoy. So now I'm going to University Writing, which is a required first-year class that everyone has to take, and I'm going to turn in my Progression 3 essay on pollution in California. Hey everybody, thanks for following along with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the email above. Somebody will get back to you with answers to your questions. And it's late now, so I'm going to get going to bed. But have a great night, and Roar Lions!